Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you're all well. Back at it again. Now this morning I fancied something a little bit easier. It's been a tough old week at work, so I've come back down onto the mud of Newport. I'm at St. Bride's, but this time the right hand side. I've done a couple of videos further up on the left hand side if you like, but this morning I've come the other way and I'm on the steps. It's a good mark and I've had some cracking fish here in the past, so you never know. High water is at 10 o'clock. It's now around 7, so we got plenty of time yet. The height is 12.2 meters, which in old money for Newport is 13.9 because we had 1.7. Nice big tide, perfect for this venue. I'll be fishing 2 rods. On the one rod there's going to be a 4-0 pulley pennel rig. That one is for big baits. And on the second rod I'm going to stick on a 3-hook flapper rig with small size 1 hooks. In terms of bait, I've got fresh ragworm, squid, bluey, mackerel, and also a good handful of sprats. The weather is very bright. It's going to be a warm one this morning. The only potential problem is that the wind is coming from the east. That's never a good thing on the channel, but I'm not going to moan. I'm not going to complain. Guys, let's have a couple of checks. Let's see what's out there. Let's reboot that mind. Happy days. Won't be long now, that water is flying in. Big tide you see, so it's got a bit of pace on it. Absolutely glorious morning. Stunning. It's what it's all about. All I can hear are the birds in the background. I can hear the waves rolling over the mud. My kind of living this. I live a very simple life, me guys. I'm not interested in materialistic things. I appreciate the simple things in life, and this is my drug. Now, about 3 weeks ago, a friend of mine, Mark, who I work with, he was at this very spot and he caught a lovely 6-pound bass. I'll show you that right about now. Right, there we are then guys, fishing on the pulley pennel rig. I've started off with double sprat, and on the 3-hook flapper rig, the bottom hook is straight ragworm, the middle hook is ragworm and mackerel, and the top hook is ragworm and squid. So hopefully there's something out there. Yeah, the water now is touching the base of the rocks. Still quite shallow, but it will fill up quite quickly given the depth of tide this morning. Dee dee dee. Getting warm now. Been fishing for around 20-25 minutes. No bites as of yet, but we got plenty of time. I couldn't resist getting out the cheapy old 8-foot boat rod. I've stuck it down in the rocks, put a flapper rig on it, cast it no more than 20 yards, and we'll see what happens. I put the bell on the end, so if I do get a bite, I'll hear that. As for the pulley pennel rig on one of the main rods, I'll be alternating the baits. I'll be switching between sprat, whole joey mackerel, squid and bluey cocktails. Just see what takes their fancy, really. To be honest, it's a bit too bright for fishing. I always prefer a bit of cloud cover, but it is what it is. We only moan when it's dark and miserable, so I guess we should make the most of it. But yeah, give me cloud any day when it comes to fishing. Very, very quiet. Not as such. We're about an hour now off high water. I'm hoping it'll pick up on the ebb as the tide starts to go out. That can often happen. But I'm not overly surprised, to be honest, given the conditions. Bright sunshine, an easterly wind, not a good combination, in my opinion. That's fishing for you. That's how it goes. I'm still enjoying it. Of course I am. Before I forget, I just want to say a massive thanks to you all. I've almost hit 3,000 subscribers, and it's quite unbelievable, really. I didn't think I'd get to 100, but I think I'm 20 or 30 or 3,000. Huge thanks, guys. The support, as always, is hugely appreciated. I couldn't have done it without you. So, yeah, big thumbs up. And also, I want to thank the channel members. I've only got 2 at the moment, but that's all right. Chris Cooper and David Williams. These guys pay $1.99 a month. Supports me, supports the channel, and every single penny goes towards bait and fuel. I don't spend it on anything silly. Bait and fuel. And I know that at the moment, financially, a lot of us are finding it hard. So the fact that you guys are, paying a monthly subscription, it's very, very touching. Nice one. Been getting some bites on the old boat rod, so let's take a look. No, missed that one. Another good bite on the boat rod. It's been going for a while now, so I'm going to take a look. Missed him again. I reckon the small school bass. I saw one jump earlier, so I reckon that's what they are. But yeah, really aggressive bites, classic bass, you know. Bang on high water now. I'm getting loads of bites on that boat rod every cast, but I just can't connect. I'm pretty sure this small school bass, very aggressive, and also I saw one jump earlier. I know they're out there, but literally within a minute of the bait landing, bang 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 bang. As for the two main rods, nothing at all. I'm trying all sorts. I'm going long, short, different bait combinations, but not a touch. But I'll keep plugging away, and you never know, it just takes that one fish. She's ebbing back now, on her way out. Still nothing. Sorry guys, I'm trying my best. Even the bites on the boat rod have dried up, and that's never a good sign. I'll give it now another hour, and I'll call it quits. Well, there won't be any water left by then. Big tide, so it'll fly out. During the past few weeks, I've had quite a few... Oh, hang on. Is that a nog? Is that a bite? Right down rod, flapper rig. Sorry guys, sorry. Small tap. Anyway, I was saying that during the past few weeks, I've had quite a few messages in the comment section of various videos on my channel from people who are struggling. They're finding life a bit tough at the moment. I get it. I totally get it. Things are not easy, you know, doom and gloom, constant negativity in the media, fear, fear, fear. And I totally understand. And of course, you know, the price of everything going up, fuel and food. And yeah, look, people are finding it tough. So I got no issue at all when it comes to talking about mental health. I struggle myself at times, you know, I get a bit of anxiety, things get on top of me. So if there's anyone out there that's, you know, feeling a bit down, want to chat, by all means, you know, drop me a comment. Of course, I'll get back to you, and no doubt my subscribers will too. You know, we'll all chip in, all do our bit, and it's always good to talk. Always feel better after a good chin wag, you know. But yeah, I totally get it. And it's like I always say, this is my drug, you know. Being next to the water, fresh air, away from life, and just, you know, detoxing that mind. But this has been a fantastic start to the weekend. Today is a Saturday, so I'm going to go home, have a shower, might crack open a cheeky beer, cook some food with the wife, chill out in the garden. Yeah, looking forward to it. I've not caught any fish, but who cares? Right, I'm gonna make a move now, guys. That water is absolutely flying back. I thought it would today on this big tide. I'm sorry I couldn't get any fish on camera for you, but sometimes that's just the way it goes. That's fishing for you. But I've enjoyed it. It's a glorious summer's day. I've been next to the water. I'm happy. As always, thanks for watching. It's mega appreciated. Any questions or comments you have, pop them below and I'll get back to you. Until the next one, look after yourselves, take care, all the best.